Well, I'm getting desperate for videos when I stop to look at a regular Joe Blow 200 on the side of the road, but if I can drag this out for a minute and a half, I guess we got a Wednesday. So. This place was logged in the mid-90s, early 90s, so it's just scrub. It's up in the back of the back. This is kind of where BC stops. It becomes mountain right there. There's no further roads in our part. A few firewoods, but I think the C series was, when was that? -5. So that was 90, was that 97 to 05 or somewhere in there? I never had much to do with those, the Deere ones. I had a Hitachi -5, but they were great. Okay. Well, I've held the on button long enough, so all right, filler video.